How to enable dark mode on Walmart application. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can enable dark mode on Walmart application. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you're wondering to turn on dark mode in the Walmart application through the application itself, but you cannot do that. Walmart mobile's application currently does not offer a native dark mode feature. So to turn on dark mode in your Walmart application, you have to do that via the developer options and your device settings. So for that, you have to head over to your settings in your mobile device and make sure that you have turned on your developer option. If you have not turned it on, then from the settings, scroll down, head over to about phone, then you have to head over to your version, then you have to tap on the build number several times until you see an options where it says developer option is now turned on. Once the developer option is turned on, head over to your settings, scroll down, head over to system, head over to developer option. Under developer option, find override force dark. So keep on scrolling, navigate towards hardware accelerated rendering section. So scroll down, keep on scrolling and search for the option. So here under hardware accelerated rendering, there is an option or toggle as overrides force dark. So turn on the toggle. Once you turn on the toggle, now head back to the settings. Then you have to head over to display. On the display, under appearance, make sure to turn on the dark theme. So once you turn on dark mode in your mobile device, close your settings, then you have to relaunch the Walmart application. Relaunch the Walmart application, wait for a while, and you will find the dark mode is now enabled or turned on in your Walmart application as well. So that's it. That's how you can turn on dark mode in Walmart application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.